for YouTube. This is Super Crazy Brandon, and this is my Lego World War II. So this is a gearman, American gearman. These guys in the water, diver, and sniper 2 guy. Oh no, and these guys, German, and there's one more, German. And that, I have more Germans, but I don't have any guns yet, so please subscribe, any comments, and that's about it. So, and there's a window and stuff. The gearman has Thomas, and this is also an American tourist. He's disguised as a real tourist. He's really not. So, thanks for watching. Bye.